Welcome to the new video. Today we introduce the Click and Grow 25, a farmer's market in your own home. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the new product videos. The Click and Grow 25 is the only indoor plant growing solution to provide a continuous, significant harvest for a healthier diet. Product link in the description if you need it. How does it work? The Click and Grow 25 works like an espresso coffee machine, only instead of coffee pods, you use biodegradable smart soil plant pods to grow fresh greens all year round. All pods contain seeds, perfectly calibrated nutrients, and optimal levels of pH to ensure the perfect conditions for accelerated plant growth. Coupled with a patented tray system, it's the only indoor garden that fits any urban lifestyle and allows growing substantial amounts of greens for everyday use, all year round, with minimal attention required from the user. The garden takes care of watering, lights, and the connected app gives you real-time updates and tips on the progress of your plants. Ready to harvest your first batch? Last 11 years on developing the best solution for growing fresh greens at home in a sustainable way while giving constant harvest. Not a gadget, a change maker. With more than 11 years of R&D under our belts, we've spent a long time developing the backbone of our plant pods, the smart soil. This plant-based growth substrate was developed by our team of material scientists to support faster plant growth. It's a material that breathes with the plant and evenly disperses a mixture of nutrients, oxygen, and water made to support the specific seed inside the pod. Made of natural materials, the smart soil is biodegradable. What makes the Click and Grow 25 one of a kind is the unique tray system, patent pending, that creates the perfect cycle of growth, meaning you'll always have enough yield to add to your dishes at all times. Insert pods from one end, harvest from the other. Continuously. A tray with ready-to-harvest greens can easily be removed from the garden, replaced with another to start growing the next cycle, and taken to the table where you eat or kitchen counter where you prepare your meals. The plants in the removed tray stay fresh for up to a week, keeping all of their nutrients intact and avoiding food waste. Seed to plate has never been easier. The design of the device enables continuous weekly harvest. The 5-week growing program cycle ensures constant availability of fresh greens with minimal attention from you. The Click and Grow 25 is fully modular and customizable. Grow anywhere from 25 to hundreds of your favorite greens at home with ease. Stack units on top of each other to increase the output so that it fits your home and the size of your family. Single-person household equals 1 unit. A couple equals 1 to 2 units. Family with 2 kids equals 2 to 3 units. Restaurant or store equals depends on the volume of your business. Your Click and Grow 25 will come with professional-grade LED lights to support plant growth 365 days a year in all climates. Thanks to automated light and watering, plants grow 30% faster in Click and Grow than in traditional agriculture. You will be able to calibrate the light cycle to match the need of the specific plants you're growing. 2x16W LED lamp lighting solution designed for optimal growth while minimizing light pollution. Water consumption, approx. 5 L per week. Water can be added once a week manually. Feel free to use tap water. Thank you, my viewers, for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the new product videos. Drop your valuable comment in the comment box below. Product link in the description if you need it.